Yeah.
Hello. Now tell me what's your name?
My name is Bảo.
Okay. Now how old are you?
I am 7 years old.
Okay. So are you ready to start?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's talk about the letters and sounds. Okay.
Let
Now tell me what letter is the first?
A for
A for.
apple.
Letter
B
B for.
ball.
Good. Letter
C
C for.
cat.
Cat. Letter
D
D for.
dog.
Dog. Letter
E
E for.
elephant.
Yes, nice. Letter
F
F.
F
F.
F
F for
fish.
fish. Okay. Letter
G
G. G for
goat.
goat. Okay. Letter H.
H
H.
H
H for
horse.
horse. Letter
I
I for
igloo.
igloo. Letter
J
J for
jacket.
jacket. Letter K.
K
K for.
key.
Alright. Letter
L
L. L for.
lion.
Yes. Letter
M
M for.
monkey.
Letter
N
N for.
number.
Alright. Now tell me what number it is.
Six
Six. Number.
9
Number.
1
This-
4
Yes. Okay. Number.
5
Yes. Number.
7
Okay. Good. Okay. Now the next one. Now tell me what.
O
Okay. Letter O. So now tell me letter O for
octopus.
octopus. Letter
Pin
P.
P
P for.
pen.
Letter
Q
Q for.
queen.
Yes. Letter
R
R for.
rabbit.
Letter
S
X.
S
S for.
sun.
Letter
T
T.
T
T for.
tiger.
Alright. Letter U. U for.
umbrella.
Letter
V
V for.
one.
Okay. Letter
W
for.
wolf.
X.
X
For number.
6
And the last one letter
Y
Y for.
zero.
Okay, good. Okay. And the last one
G
letter
G
Z.
Z
Z for
zoo.
zoo. Okay, good. Thank you. Give me the high five.